Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon. Looks like this. And once you find the alarm icon, tap on it to enter. And here, if you don't have any existing alarms, you will see this big new alarm button, and you can tap on it. And now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off. I'm gonna set it to something like 2 p.m., maybe 2:30 p.m. Okay. So to set the time, you simply swipe up and down on the hours and minutes, and then you can tap on next. And here we can select on which days the alarm should repeat. If you don't select any days, the alarm will go off once and it won't repeat. But if you select, for example, Monday and Friday, it will repeat on every Monday and Friday. So select the days you like, tap on OK, and here we have our alarm. You can turn it on and off by tapping on the switch next to it. You can tap on it to edit the alarm, and you can change the time again, the repeat option, and you can't change the name for some reason, it's just here. Okay, you can also have multiple alarms, so if you have another one like this, and you can remove the alarms by tapping on one and tapping on the lead, and then tapping delete or the check mark to confirm. Okay, so let's remove this one too. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. You can also access the alarm menu by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then tapping on alarm to access the alarm. And I believe if you set up the alarm, oh, never mind, it doesn't show, because I thought you can see that the alarm was set, but it doesn't show it right here, so never mind. But anyway, that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.